In a significant shift, Blackrock CEO Larry Fink signals a staggering 100 million% potential for their Bitcoin ETF, underscoring Bitcoin's rising prominence in the financial sector. From novelty to mainstream, Bitcoin's acceptance surges with major US exchanges listing Bitcoin. Stay tuned as Blackrock's bold move could reshape the investment landscape. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and let's start. Every time I go to a Bitcoin conference, I am continually blown away by the people in this space. And we have some of the most intelligent, creative, innovative, hardworking, and thoughtful people in the world working on Bitcoin. This is why I am so confident we will win. Just in Blackrock CEO Larry Fink, I'm very bullish on the long-term viability of Bitcoin. I beat is the fastest growing ETF in the history of ETFs. Bitcoin is gonna go to 100,000 and we are waiting for it, Apple co-founder Steve Wozniak said. Bitcoin is about 3 weeks away from its next halving event after its strongest start of the cycle ever. If patterns repeat, we are about to embark on a moon mission. 100,000 Bitcoin coming sooner than you ever think it would happen. Bitco CEO speaks about Bitcoin on Bloomberg, and if you are not ready for 20% drops, you're certainly not ready for the 600% increase. The road to 600,000 Bitcoin March 27, 2024. Bullish trend remains strong and we could even go sideways until summer with no effect on the current trajectory. So why does this channel cut random areas at the top and look weird? The top channels is placed at $600 November 2013, $6,000 November 2017, and $60,000 November 2021. So is 600,000 November 2025 next? Sounds crazy, I know, but so does hitting 1 trillion in debt in 100 days. Very important, do your own research and make your own decisions on if when you will sell. I'm not here to hold anyone's hand. The news goes by inflows into all the other Bitcoin ETFs surge as GBTC outflows slow, marking the biggest net inflow in just 2 weeks. New with the ETF, we have opened up the $80 trillion baby boomer giant bulk in wealth here in the US. $40 trillion of that is managed by RIS, and as people go from 0 to 2%, 3% allocations, you're seeing more demand for Bitcoin than supply, says Galaxy CEO Mike Novogratz. To the main topic, Bitcoin targets $75,000 milestone as analyst predicts upward surge. So, the notable crypto analyst Jelly has indicated that a Bitcoin might soon hit a high of $75,000, a target eagerly awaited by enthusiasts, having recently reached an all-time peak. The digital currency experienced a loss in drive, as nonetheless there is a positive sentiment in the air, with proponents eyeing an end-of-week climb to this significant price point. Recovering from a market dip, Bitcoin recently endured a price correction deepened nearly 18% and slumping below 61,000. Not one to stay down, the currency bounced back, revisiting the need of its prior rally. Just today, it soared past 71,500 on various key exchanges before retracing slightly below $69,000. The cryptocurrency sector took a hit following the Coinbase's decision not to discard a lawsuit by the US Securities and Exchange Commission. Subsequently, the market observed a considerable volume of liquidation, with CoinGlass reporting the loss of around $240 million in crypto assets within 24 hours. Insights from crypto analysts: the liquidated assets were predominantly long positions, valued at $166 million. Crypto expert Ali Martinez has pointed out that a Bitcoin faces a critical resistance barrier ranging between 70,180 and 70,600. Either the block's data reveals that about 291,000 Bitcoin holders who bought at an average of 70,000 are now seeing losses. Glassnode's analysis implies as Bitcoin has hit a key level in terms of the unrealized profit in its supply, as furthermore with the next Bitcoin halving only 21 days away, many investors anticipate a substantial price surge ahead of this pivotal event. Currently, Bitcoin's trading value hovers around 69,000, teasing its previous record high of 69,000. The next one, BlackRock's chief signals a confidence in Bitcoin's role in modern asset management. So, the chief executive of the leading asset management firm BlackRock engaged in a detailed discussions about the Bitcoin's increasing significance in the financial landscape. This marked a stark contrast to the past when even small businesses accepting Bitcoin was a novelty. Today, major US exchanges are listing Bitcoin, reflecting its growing acceptance. So, BlackRock's Bitcoin investment vehicle. Recently, BlackRock introduced the Spot Bitcoin ETF, highlighting its strategic move towards incorporating cryptocurrencies as the company's journey from skepticism to embracing digital currencies illustrates the rapid changes in the asset management sector. Simultaneously, BlackRock is advocating for Ethereum, showcasing a broader commitment to the crypto space. Strategic insights from the CEO. While sharing insights on a major news network, BlackRock CEO Larry Fink mentioned the firm's evolving stance on Bitcoin. Notably, for the first time, the weekly demand for their ETF turned negative, despite overall contribution surpassing $11 billion. Fink expressed a bullish outlook on Bitcoin's longevity, citing increasing market liquidity and transparencies that exceeded his initial expectations. And in a related news, the price of Bitcoin experienced a deep following the announcement by Coinbase, an influential crypto exchange, regarding the classification on its second service as an investment contract. As this development, particularly relevant to exchanges in the US, led to Bitcoin's price retracing from a high of 72,000 to 68,359, underlining the volatility nature of crypto markets. So looking at the prices right now and the charts, basically, at a 4-hour chart we can basically see that we are around the 69,135, as basically we were as low as around the 68,337 today, actually eating up those long positions. And now we are building up to get prepared for breaking out the short positions once again. So basically, what do I see what's happening on the market right now is basically we will recover a bit, maybe make a small consolidation, and then shoot up again, trying to break 73,000, but will again probably just get short positions and drop down again, building even bigger consolidation for us to break out again. So what are we seeing right here? A slight move up, a slight move down, a slight move up, a slight move up, and a slight move down again, and then possibly again we will be trying to break this new position and $75,000 short positions, where around the $13 trillion is located of short positions, and that's huge money to be liquidated too, but they are still not breaking this position, so it will be really hard, and I feel like it's going to break once it reaches $73,000 again over here, and we are not reaching that. We are going to drop and then get back to breaking this $75,000 location and actually liquidating all those short positions with that huge money stacking up over here. It's really how it looks like and probably how it will happen, and we are about to notice something like this. These are my expectations, that's probably what will happen. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next one, and peace.